Good afternoon, children. Now you are having a EVS Beta for first standard. So now today let us already yesterday I started the lesson water. So Misbah, you are ready with your book now? Now yesterday I had given you. I told you the first. I told you the story of crow, and also I made you write some of the words. I think you might have written. So today let me give some words for writing. So try to write them, and I'll give them like this way. Open your writing book and take down your book. If you have practiced, I'll be giving some words. Alright, heading water, water. Third lesson. Write the heading water. Third lesson. Now try to write fill up the gaps. Fill up the gaps. So try to write a very small, simple address, simple words I will be giving. Or do one thing. First, you take down mind these actions. So instead of let me give another one. Mind these actions. Mind these actions. So some words are given here for mind these actions. Some words are there. Write them. First one, drinking. 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 Write down. Heading you write down. Mind these actions. Mind these actions. First one, drinking you write. First one, drinking. Drinking. Second one, washing face. WASHING. Washing face. Second one, washing face. Write down the second word, that is washing face. Next word, third one, bathing. 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 Next, fourth one, washing clothes. Washing clothes. So yesterday I told you drinking a washing face, bathing, washing the clothes. Next, dog. One minute. Dog drinking water. Fifth one, dog drinking, dog drinking water. Dog drinking water. It is the fifth one. Sixth one, dog drinking water. Watering the plants. Watering the plants. Watering the plants. So these are the miming words. How to mime. So some more words I'll try to give you. It will be only this much words are sufficient. So drinking, how you are drinking the water, that is for drinking the water, washing the face and bathing. Bathing is, see, let me show you the picture here. See here. So first, in first page number, you can see the boy drinking the water. This is the action, how to do the action. This is the boy drinking water. Next, then washing face. You can see here the boy washing the face with the water. You can see here boy washing face. Next, bathing. Bathing picture also you can see here in the picture. The boy is taking bath. You can see the boy taking bath. Next, washing clothes. It is also there. The man or the person washing the clothes. You can see in the picture here how the boy washing the person washing the clothes. You can see in the picture here. Once again, let me show. Boy washing face. And boy taking bath and person bathing at washing face, drinking and washing clothes, and dog drinking water. Let me see whether it is there. Dog drinking water is not there. Next, watering the plants. See here, the girl is watering the plants. These are action words. The girl watering the plants. She is putting water to the plants. So these are the words for you to mime. Understood? This is how to mime the. So now let me give questions of the. Now, if you are written, let me rub them. Have you written? You finished writing here? If you have finished, I will be rubbing this. This was finished. Have you written? Completed. Writing over. Show me. Then I will be rubbing this one. Continue on the new page. Continue on new page. That right here. First one. Answer these questions. Write the heading. Answer these questions. Heading narrator. Answer these questions. First one. This is the heading here. Answer these questions. First one. First one. What are the things? What are the things? What are the things you do at home? You do at home using water. Using water. Question mark. What are the things you do at home using water? How do you, for what purpose you use water? Understood? Why do you use water? For first one, answer you here. Answer. For drinking. Right here. For drinking. Use water for drinking. Understood? For drinking. First one. Second one. For cooking. For cooking. Your mother use water for cooking. Your mother use water. Understood? For drinking, for cooking, and for washing face. For washing face. And for bathing. For bathing. So these are the things we do using the water. For drinking, for cooking, for washing face, for washing face, for bathing. Understood? So these are the things we do using the water. So you can write them in your book. Take down in your book. Finish setting this one. First one is finished. If you've completed, I go to next one. Take down. Shall I rub now? Rub this one. Rubbing. Let me rub this one. Now. Write the next step. Second one, from where do you get water? Do you get water? From where do you get water for your house? For your From where do you get water for your house? So this is a question. Now answer. From where do you get water for your house? Answer. From wells. From wells. From wells. From borewell. From borewell. From borewell. And from rivers. From tap we get water. From wells and tap we get water. Understood? Write down this. From wells you can see this is a well. This is the well. ಬಾವಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಕಾಲ ಕನ್ನಡದೊಳಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಬಾವಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. This is the well. This is the borewell and this is the tap. Well, borewell and the tap. So these are the from where we get water to your house. So finish writing or completed writing? Thank you. Now class is time is up. Thank you. Understood?